gonna take this $25 GoPro triple suction mount thing from Amazon. We're gonna try to stick it to this Ferrari 360 sighter, so stick around to see if it survives. So originally my plan was to put it right here and sort of angle down, but you couldn't see too much of the street with it. So what I ended up doing was actually mounting it on top, like the very top of the windshield, so that you have the whole rear, like sorry, not the rear, the front of the car and the street. So we'll see how that shot turns out. We've mounted it on a few different spots. Right now it's actually up there, but we're gonna try and do the ultimate test of putting it on the highway and seeing if it'll stay. So let's go try that one out. Looks like it survived the highway test. How fast did you go there? 120 kilometers an hour. The GoPro survived. So by now we've done quite a few different angles with the GoPro on like the front, the back, the windshield, the back glass where the engine is, and like all these different places, and it hasn't fallen off yet. We drove on the highway, it's been good. So now I'm just gonna put up some drone shots, which you've probably already seen in the video, but yeah. Here we go. GoPro is secured. Hopefully.